What are the typical co-op renovation rules in New York City? We'll demystify this topic in the following video. I'm Nick at Houseit. Visit our website, houseit.com, to save money when buying or selling real estate here in New York City. So let's get started. All co-op and condo buildings in New York City have renovation rules which you must follow as a unit owner. A co-op building's rules for renovations are usually listed in the building's alteration agreement. This document must be signed by a unit owner and submitted to management for approval along with supporting documentation before any work may commence. The main purpose of co-op renovation rules in New York City is threefold: to make sure that your proposed renovations won't harm the building, to ensure that you and your contractors have adequate insurance, and 3, to ensure that the construction is orderly and considerate of fellow residents. Insurance. The construction industry in New York City is highly litigious, and it's quite common for contractors to sue clients, injured workers to sue apartment owners and buildings, and everything in between. Therefore, under the terms of a co-op alteration agreement, each contractor is usually required to submit a certificate of liability insurance and workers' compensation, naming the co-op, managing agent, unit owner, and the board of managers as additional insured on the certificate. A minimum of $1 million in coverage is typically required by most buildings. Scope of work. Co-op renovation rules are also designed to prevent apartment owners from making renovations which may harm the structure or mechanicals of the building itself. Co-ops will typically require a unit owner to pay for the building's architect and engineer to review the plans of any proposed renovations. It's also common for co-ops and most older condo buildings to prohibit apartment owners from increasing the amount of electrical capacity in an apartment. Co-ops also typically require an inspection of any alteration before work is completed and signed off. For example, if you replace or repair the bathroom and kitchen plumbing, the building may require that the super stop by and inspect the pipes before you're allowed to close the walls back up with drywall. Some co-ops also have blanket prohibitions on specific types of alterations, such as installing a washer-dryer or adding another bathroom. Construction hours. Co-op renovation rules always establish a framework for construction hours, holidays, as well as the maximum number of weeks any construction, alteration, or renovation work may last. A typical co-op building in New York City usually only permits construction between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. on weekdays. Furthermore, most co-ops prohibit workers from making any unusually loud noises until 10 a.m. Most co-ops also prohibit any construction work on Saturdays, Sundays, and public holidays. In rare instances, a co-op or condo may permit non-noise-making work on the weekends, such as plastering and painting. Many co-ops also prohibit the use of jackhammers or any unusually loud tools at all times, unless prior approval is given by the building. In addition, all co-op alteration agreements require unit owners to provide a minimum amount of notice to the building and immediate neighbors in advance of commencing any alteration work. Co-ops may also restrict the total length of time you're allowed to renovate. A common maximum is 4 months. Now, this is designed to prevent apartment owners from constantly changing their plans and creating a state of semi-permanent construction, which will obviously harm the quality of life of other unit owners. Co-ops with elevator capacity issues may also cap the number of apartments which are permitted to be renovated at the same time. In some buildings, this may result in a renovation waitlist. Fees and liability. Most co-ops charge a non-refundable alteration agreement processing fee, in the same way they charge a fee when submitting a purchase application. In addition, many co-ops require a unit owner to make a deposit in advance of beginning any renovations. The deposit is returned provided that the alterations do not cause any damage to the common areas of the building. So there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. I'm Nick at Houseit. Visit our website, houseit.com, to learn about ways to save money when buying and selling real estate here in New York City. And if you like this video, do us a favor, hit like, subscribe, leave us a comment. We greatly appreciate it, and we hope to see you on the next one.